In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to show positive numbers with a plus sign. If you want your spreadsheet to display positive values with a clear plus sign in front of them, this is a quick formatting trick that makes your data much easier to read. It's especially useful when you are working with changes, gains and losses, performance reports, or any table where you want positive and negative numbers to stand out immediately. To begin, highlight the cells you want to format. Make sure you select the exact range where you want this display style to appear, because the formatting will only apply to the cells you choose. If you want to update an entire column or row, you can select all of those cells at once to save time. Once the cells are selected, click Format in the top menu. This is where you'll find many of the display and layout options for your spreadsheet. From there, hover over Number, and then click on Custom Number Format. This option allows you to control exactly how values appear, without changing the actual numbers stored in the cells. That means the data remains the same, but the visual presentation becomes much clearer. In the text box, type +0, semicolon, -0, semicolon, 0, written exactly. That format is Fa0. 0, 0. This custom format tells the spreadsheet how to display different kinds of values. The first part controls positive numbers, so they show with a plus sign. The second part controls negative numbers, so they keep the minus sign. The third part controls zeros, so 0 is shown normally without either symbol. It's a simple format, but very effective. After entering that format, click Apply. Right away, your selected cells should update to reflect the new style. Positive numbers will now appear with a plus sign. Negative numbers will display with a minus sign, and 0 will remain unchanged. If your numbers don't look different right away, double-check that the selected cells actually contain numeric values and that the custom format was entered exactly as shown. Even a small typo can affect the result. This is a great way to make reports look more polished and easier to scan, especially when viewers need to compare values quickly. It improves readability without requiring any formulas or manual edits. Thanks for watching.